Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to log into SSB's online banking. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for SSB's bank. Now, click on this first website over here. Now, click on Customer Login/Register on the top right corner. We can see various options for login. Since we are logging in for savings, you can go for this one, or you can choose any as per your need. Let's click on Login now. Enter your username here, and if you want your username to be remembered even after you get back, simply click on Remember Me over here. Now, we need to enter the last 3 digits of our mobile number. Let's tap here, and once you've done all of this, simply click on Continue. After which, we'll get a code in our mobile number, after which we can log into Sainsbury's online banking interface. So, this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.